subjects math. So students, all the students open your book page number 10 in which we have to do question number 10, 11 and 12. So all the students also pick their pencil. Let's start our lecture. So student, question number 10, fill these symbols greater than or less than. So student, you know that when you have put the sign of less than and when you put the sign of greater than, when your left side value is smaller than to the right side, left side value is smaller to the right side value, you put the less than sign. And when your left side value is greater than to the right side, the greater than sign is to be used. When your left side is smaller than to the right side, less than is used. Less than sign is used. And when your right side is greater to the left side is greater than to right side, the greater than sign is to be used. So we follow to this sequence. We have put these symbols. Okay. Question number 10, part A. 13,241 and 40,232. So student, you know that when you compare the both sides, this side is to be smaller because there is a 30,000 is a 40,000. So less than sign is be used because this side is smaller than the right side. Then part B, 42,569, 41,658. So you know that it's a 42,000, it's a 41,000. So the left side is to a greater, so the greater than sign is to be used. Then a 74,250 and 68,990. Compare the both values, 74,000 and 68,000. So the left side value is a greater, so greater than sign is to be used. Then a 55,643 and 55,792. 55,000 is to be a same. Then a 600, 700. So this side is to be a left side is the smaller than to the right side, though the less than sign is to be a use. 18,753, 80,029. So the 18,753 is a greater, so greater than sign is used between them. We remember that when your left side is smaller than to the right, less than sign is used, and when your left side is to a greater to a right side, so the greater than sign is to be used. Okay students, question number 11, write the number in a ascending order. What is the ascending order? Ascending order is the order in which we arrange the number smallest to greater. You arrange the number in a ascending order, smallest to greatest, मतलब छोटे से बड़े की तरफ. So the value is 34,829, 34,769, 34,932 and 33,199. So recently I explained that when you do a ascending order, you arrange your value smallest to greatest. So the smallest value is 33,199, then 34,769, 34,829, and the greatest value is 34,932. It's the smallest value and it's the greatest value. Be remember that when you do ascending order, you arrange the order smallest to greatest. Then the 19,195, 19,145, 19,159 and 19,194. So smallest value is to the 19,145, then greatest value 19,159, then greatest value 19,194, and the last greatest value is 90,195. So we will remember that when you write a ascending order, you always go to sequentially smallest to greatest value. So the question number 12, write the number in a descending order. Write the numbers in a ascending order. What is mean by ascending order? Ascending order means greatest to smallest. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. But descending order means greatest to smallest. Question number 8, 34,890, 38,194. Then you have a value of 28,944 and 28,491. So this one, the greatest value 38,149, then 34,890. Then the smallest value is 28,944 and the smallest value of this number is 28,491. Then a question number 12 part B, 43,892, 43,961 691 and 44,001. So according to this descending order, we write the greatest value 44,000 because that all the value is 43,000. Only this value the 44,000 is the greatest value. Then the 43,961, 43,892 and 43,621. So students, it's a lecture about the sign of less than and greater than. Less than sign is used when the left side is so small, and the right sign is to be greater than sign is to be used when the left side is greater than to the right side. Descending order, you have arranged the order smallest to greatest, and the descending order you arrange the order greatest to smallest. So do your class for complete your homework.